This is the home screen of the application, and this is pretty much the application after you've purchased the numbers and so forth on this application here. So how this works, this allows you to use for verification, make calls and so forth. And as well, you do be able to use the eSIM option, so you can also get a number that you have bought with the eSIM as well. So if I do tap on the eSIM option here, as you can see, you can create plan for selected countries, or can use one of these given countries here. So that's pretty much it for that there. Here you do have the option to upload the message section, as you can see, and as well you do have the option to select. If you do tap on that at the top here, once you have purchased the number, you'll be able to have it for 7 days. As you can see, I only have 4 days left with this number, and I have options to make calls and receive messages. So if you do want to change the number, you can tap on the get new number option here, and it will let you select the number that you want based on your preference. Let's say you want it for an eSIM, or WhatsApp registration, or social media, which is the verification type of thing that most people want it for. Or you just want a real number. You can tap on the real number option if it's that you want it for, and it will give you a few numbers which you can choose from, basically in most countries. So all you have to do is just look for the country number that you want and select that number. And as well, you do have the service option. Let's say you want a specific verification number for a specific service. Let's say, for example, Instagram here. All I have to do is just tap on Instagram, and you will pretty much find all the numbers that will work for the Instagram verification. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And in the profile option, you'll be able to purchase credits. So you can tap on the get more option here. Once you do tap on the get more option, you can see all the prices for your credits. I currently have 164 credits, and as well you can get credits by just using their application. You can tap on the check-in option here. As you can see here, once I do watch an ad, I'll be able to get 20 credits. So tomorrow again, I'll be able to get 40 credits. So while using the application, I can get free credits. So you're going to need credits to make calls, so do keep that in mind. And if I do tap on the call button here, tap on this call button here, you'll be able to enter your number, and it will automatically select the country for that number. As you can see your Jamaica number that I'm entering, or the area code, it will automatically load up for you. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very good application if you want to use for number verifications for YouTube, Instagram and so forth. This application is for you. And as well, you can go in the message section and be able to see all the messages received to this number here. So that's really pretty much it. And if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next one.